We all love a little something sweet every now and then. Whether it's a cupcake, a scoop of ice cream, or a piece of candy, these treats bring a smile to our faces and a moment of joy to our day. A sugary treat can be a nice little pick-me-up, something to make you feel good, especially when you're sharing it with friends or enjoying it after a long day. It's a simple pleasure that many of us look forward to, or even the star of the show at a party. Think about birthdays, holidays, and celebrations. Sugar is often at the center of these happy moments, making them even more memorable. But what if I told you that sugar, that thing we think is harmless, could be messing with your body? It's not just about the calories. It's about what sugar does once it's inside you. It's easy to think sugar is just a treat, but there's more to it. Every spoonful, every bite, every sip, it all adds up. And the effects can be more serious than you might realize. Behind that sweetness is something that can cause a whole bunch of health problems. From weight gain to diabetes, heart disease, and even mood swings, sugar can be a hidden culprit in many health issues. And the scariest part? Most people don't even know it's happening. We go about our daily lives enjoying our sweet treats, unaware of the potential harm we're doing to our bodies. This isn't about saying sugar is evil or that you can't have it. It's about moderation and understanding. You can still enjoy your favorite treats, but it's important to be mindful of how much sugar you're consuming. It's about knowing what it does, so you can decide what you put in your body. By being informed, you can make better choices and find a balance that works for you. So get ready, because we're going to dive into the truth about sugar and how it affects your health. We'll explore the science behind it, hear from experts, and learn practical tips for reducing sugar intake. You might be surprised by what you find out. The journey to understanding sugar starts here, and it might just change the way you look at your favorite treats forever. We've all been there, that awful sugar crash after something sweet. One minute you're full of energy, the next you're slumped over, tired and foggy-headed. But that's just the beginning of what sugar does to your body. When you eat sugar, your blood sugar goes way up, giving you a burst of energy. But it doesn't last, and as your blood sugar drops, you crash. This up and down messes with your body. Over time, these sugar spikes can make your cells stop listening to insulin, the thing that controls your blood sugar. This can cause a bunch of problems like type 2 diabetes. We all know eating too much sugar can make you gain weight, but it's the stuff you don't see that's really scary. Sugar quietly damages your insides, making you more likely to get really sick. Let's start with your heart. Too much sugar increases your chances of heart disease, which is a leading cause of death everywhere. It raises your triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood, and lowers your good cholesterol, both of which clog up your arteries. Sugar also hurts your liver. Your liver processes fructose, a type of sugar in lots of processed foods and drinks. Too much fructose makes your liver turn it into fat, leading to fatty liver disease. You might think fatty liver disease only happens to people who drink a lot of alcohol, but that's not the whole story. Sugar is a big reason too, and it's often overlooked. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is now the most common liver disease in the world. It's a growing epidemic. This rise is largely because people are consuming more sugar than ever before. It's hidden in so many of the foods we eat daily. NAFLD happens when fat builds up in your liver, which can be caused by excessive sugar intake. This buildup of fat stops your liver from working right. Over time, this can lead to swelling and scarring of the liver tissue. If left unchecked, your liver might eventually stop working altogether, leading to liver failure. The scary part, NAFLD doesn't usually have symptoms at first, making it a silent threat. Many people don't know they have it until it's too late, which is why awareness is crucial. The good news is that you can reverse NAFLD if you catch it early. Lifestyle changes can make a big difference. By cutting down on sugar and living a healthier lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet, you can stop your liver from getting worse. Simple changes like choosing water over sugary drinks can have a big impact. And maybe, just maybe, you can even reverse the damage and heal your liver. It's never too late to start taking care of your health. Section 5. Beyond weight gain. Sugar's surprising effects. We all know that eating too much sugar can make you gain weight, but it does more than that. Sugar is often hidden in many of the foods we consume daily, from breakfast cereals to sauces and even bread. This hidden sugar can add up quickly, leading to unexpected weight gain and other health issues. Sugar has been linked to a whole bunch of health problems, some of which might surprise you. For instance, excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. It can also increase your risk of heart disease by raising blood pressure and promoting inflammation. Did you know that sugar makes you age faster? This isn't just about feeling older, it's about looking older too. The skin loses its elasticity and firmness, leading to premature aging. It does this through something called glycation, where sugar sticks to proteins in your skin, causing wrinkles and saggy skin. Glycation not only affects the skin but also other organs and tissues, contributing to the overall aging process. Sugar also messes with your brain. High sugar consumption has been linked to impaired cognitive function and memory issues. Studies show that a diet high in sugar can make it harder to think, remember things, and even increase your risk of dementia. This is because sugar can cause inflammation in the brain, which affects its ability to function properly. And if that's not enough, sugar can also mess up your gut. Your gut health is crucial for your overall well-being, and sugar can disrupt this balance. It feeds the bad bacteria in your gut, disrupting the balance of your gut microbiome. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and even more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. This can cause digestive problems, inflammation, and even impact your mental health. A healthy gut is essential for a healthy mind, and sugar can throw this delicate balance off, leading to mood swings, anxiety, and depression. So the next time you reach for that sugary treat, remember the surprising effects it can have on your body and mind. Section 6. Sugar addiction. Is it real? Can you be addicted to sugar? It's a question that has sparked much debate, but emerging research suggests that sugar can indeed be addictive. Sugar activates the reward pathways in your brain, releasing dopamine, the feel-good hormone. This creates a pleasurable sensation that keeps you coming back for more. Over time, you may develop a tolerance to sugar, needing more and more to achieve the same effect. This can lead to cravings, withdrawal symptoms, and even addictive behaviors, like hiding your sugar consumption or continuing to eat sugary foods despite negative consequences. Section 7. Breaking up with sugar. Taming the sweet tooth. Breaking up with sugar can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing approach. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet. Read food labels carefully and be mindful of hidden sugars lurking in seemingly healthy foods like yogurt, salad dressings, and sauces. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. These foods provide natural sweetness and are packed with nutrients that support your overall health. And remember, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water can help curb sugar cravings and keep you feeling full. Section 8. Finding sweetness naturally. Your body will thank you. Nature provides an abundance of naturally sweet foods that can satisfy your cravings without the negative health consequences of refined sugar. Fruits, for instance, are nature's candy. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Berries, in particular, are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom can add sweetness and depth of flavor to your dishes without the added sugar. And if you're looking for a natural sweetener, try a small amount of honey or maple syrup. Just remember, moderation is key. Section 9. Take control of your health, one less spoonful at a time. The truth about sugar is out, and it's time to take control of our health. By understanding the impact of sugar on our bodies, we can make informed choices about what we consume. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making sustainable changes that support our well-being. Start by reducing your sugar intake gradually, reading food labels carefully, and opting for naturally sweet alternatives. Every small step you take towards a lower sugar lifestyle is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So go ahead. Ditch the sugary drinks, swap out the processed snacks, and embrace a life of natural sweetness. Your body will thank you.